Welcome to Case Study Series in Information Technology. By Skilled MBA, the Digital Services Lab at JobCo faced immediate scrutiny from executive leadership. Mentor 2.0, the flagship Agile Transformation Initiative, was under pressure. Despite its innovative intentions, the project encountered significant implementation roadblocks, stalling progress, and challenging the lab's ability to deliver on its promises. The Digital Services Lab, a new initiative, faced intense scrutiny from executives. Mentor 2.0, the flagship Agile Transformation project, was under pressure. Despite its innovative goals, the project encountered significant implementation roadblocks, challenging the lab's ability to deliver on its promises. The lab director prepared for a crucial meeting with the chief executive officer, aiming to candidly address project challenges while projecting confidence in future success. The lab's reputation was on the line, as Mentor 2.0's outcome would significantly impact JobCo's digital transformation strategy. Balancing transparency and optimism was essential to maintain credibility and drive progress. Agile methodology begins with sprint planning, where teams define the work scope for upcoming cycles. Development follows, with cross-functional teams building components swiftly. Testing and review ensure quality and alignment with requirements. Iteration is key, as feedback continuously drives improvements in future development cycles. Mentor 2.0 serves as an innovation catalyst at JobCo, introducing agile methodologies to digital solutions. It focuses on talent development by revolutionizing mentorship through digital connectivity. This initiative is a blueprint for organizational transformation, setting a precedent for future digital projects within the company. The Scrum team initially embraced Agile with enthusiasm, but soon faced resistance from traditional processes. This led to mounting frustration as progress slowed, struggling to fit Agile within existing structures. Currently, the project is stagnant, caught between Agile goals and corporate realities. Hierarchical structures clashed with Agile's flat team dynamics, hindering collaboration. Legacy processes slowed iteration due to rigid workflows and approval chains. Cultural resistance emerged as stakeholders struggled with Agile's transparency and iterative methods. Technical integration posed challenges, with new systems facing compatibility issues within existing IT infrastructure. JobCo embarked on a digital transformation journey, acknowledging its necessity for future competitiveness. Leadership invested heavily in digital initiatives, modernizing operations. The Digital Services Lab was established as an innovation hub, fostering technological adaptation. Initiatives like Mentor 2.0 were implemented to drive significant change, positioning the company for a more agile and responsive future. JobCo faced challenges shifting from traditional waterfall methods, characterized by sequential phases and extensive documentation, to agile practices. Agile emphasizes iterative development, continuous feedback, and regular delivery of working components. This transition was crucial for enhancing flexibility and responsiveness in their digital transformation journey. The Digital Services Lab is pivotal for JobCo, driving digital innovation and enhancing market competitiveness. It boosts operational efficiency and fosters talent development, ensuring superior customer experience. This commitment to innovation aligns with strategic priorities, reinforcing the company's position in a rapidly evolving market landscape. Analyzing decision points, abandoning agile risks, stifling innovation and morale. A hybrid approach blends agile with traditional methods, easing transition challenges. Doubling down on agile requires more executive support to overcome organizational barriers, ensuring agile's full potential is realized. Executive leadership prioritizes ROI and strategic alignment, seeking proven results before expanding agile adoption. The development team is enthusiastic about Agile but frustrated by organizational constraints. Middle management is caught between traditional reporting and agile approaches. End users desire improved mentorship tools but worry about disruptions during the transition. Resetting expectations involves clarifying realistic timelines for agile transformation with leadership. Implement targeted training by providing focused agile coaching for key stakeholders across departments. Adapt organizational processes to accommodate agile workflows. Demonstrate value through incremental delivery, showcasing smaller, functional releases of Mentor 2.0. Executive sponsorship is crucial for agile success, ensuring leadership actively supports the transformation. Cultural readiness is vital. Organizations must evolve to fully embrace agile principles. Incremental progress is key. Celebrating small wins builds momentum for larger transformation efforts, fostering a sustainable agile environment. We hope this case study provided valuable insights into agile transformation challenges and strategies for successful implementation. For further inquiries, contact us at support@skilledmba.com or visit our website at https://skilledmba.com.